Hello friends, see you again with me Supercar. In this video I will review the Ford Escape 2023. Watch the video to the end so you know what is being upgraded to the Ford Escape 2023 car. Continue to support the Supercar channel by giving likes, comments, subscribing, and tapping the bell so that you get other latest car videos. The styling changes to the 2023 Escape were subtle but prominent, with the main modification being a redesigned front end that more closely resembled contemporary Ford's corporate family, which replaced the poor man's Porsche Tiger appearance. While the grille of the outgoing Escape has a low-set grille with wide headlights on the front fascia, the 2023 model's grille rises upwards, pushing the Ford Blue Oval badge into the center of the grille. The grille merges with slimmer headlamps for a more muscular appeal. If you want something that will attract a little more attention, you'll like the new ST line model, unlike the black plastic trim found on other variants, which comes accented with body-colored under-trimming. This led to a monochromatic design with an emphasis on the road. But, while we like the ST monochromatic line's color scheme, the black wheels are starting to feel a bit old-fashioned. On the bright side, there are some additional options that are equally appealing. The styling revisions are appealing as a whole, without any radical departures from the Ford norm or even the segment's basic form. Other ST line special features include 18 to 19-inch alloy wheels, a small rear spoiler, black mesh design grille, flatbed steering wheel, and black synthetic leather interior decoration with red accents. Given the approach of retaining all of the features that made the Escape popular, the powertrains also remain unchanged. The same two petrol engine options are still available. The very powerful 1.5-liter turbo 3-cylinder produces 181 horsepower, and the more powerful 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder produces 250 horsepower. It may include one of two hybrid systems, one producing 200 horsepower and 190 lb-ft of torque as the current version, or a plug-in version with 37 miles of electric range making 210 horsepower. However, if you opt for a plug-in hybrid drivetrain, expect front-wheel drive only, with the added benefit of an electric-only range of 37 miles. Pricing for the Escape is up over the 2022 model as a result, but not by much. The base Escape will retail for $28,995, an increase of just $335 over last year, while the Active starts at $30,340, the ST line at $31,335, the Platinum at $37,460, and the PHEV at $39,995. Order books have opened for the 2023 Escape already, and Ford says the updated SUV should arrive in dealers in early 2023. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Escape's cabin is handsomely styled and spacious for both front and rear seat occupants. Although there are some lower-end plastic panels and lower-end trims, the Escape's ST line and Platinum models look and feel more premium. Textured cloth seat upholstery is standard, while the Platinum model receives convincing faux leather seating surfaces as standard. Behind the Escape's rear seat is a capacious cargo hold that provides space for up to 8 carry-on suitcases, which ties its cross-down rival, the Chevrolet Equinox. We fit 21 cases with the Escape's rear seats folded, but the Equinox held 2 more. Infotainment and connectivity. While base models come with an 8.0-inch infotainment system, active trim levels and higher can be optioned with a larger 13.2-inch touchscreen display. Both screens run Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment interface and offer Android Auto as well as wireless Apple CarPlay capability. The system accepts over-the-air updates, and Ford says the Escape will automatically update itself so the owner doesn't have to worry about using an outdated version of the software. A 10-speaker B&O Play audio system, in-dash navigation, a pop-up head-up display, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge display are all optional features.